This video is sponsored by Ecovacs. This is the Deebot X12 OmniCyclone by Ecovacs. This is a robot vacuum / mop, but as a person that has been using the older model of the OmniCyclone, the X11 for the past year, I have to say this is a cleaning system rather than just a simple vacuum. In this video, I'll be showing you some brand new features like the focus jet and overall improved performance. Enjoy the episode. So it is time to unbox the X12 OmniCyclone. Now, of course, we are greeted with a nice little welcome information about how to set everything up. So you're gonna need this. And right away, I'm seeing a heavy-duty cleaning solution as well as a normal cleaning solution that's not heavy-duty, I guess. The power adapter. Okay, the actual vacuum itself is here, but I'm gonna go ahead and open up the power boost station first. And here we go. And that, my friend, is our OmniStation. Now let's see what the vacuum looks like. That's the vacuum itself. The Deebot X12 OmniCyclone is very easy to set up, so if you've never set up a robot vacuum before, do not worry at all. Since the OmniStation is a self-cleaning station, it comes with a clean and a dirty water tank for both station self-cleaning and actual mopping. Robot vacuums are great for helping you maintain a clean space. Will it do your spring cleaning? No, but with little to no effort, it will keep your place clean without you lifting a finger. And the OmniStation plays a big role in this. For vacuuming, it is bagless operation, but if you do want a traditional dust bag operation, you can go with the X12 Pro Omni. A bagless design means that you just empty your tank when it's filled rather than switching up a bag. The Deebot X12 OmniCyclone is the flagship robot vacuum of Ecovacs. Starting with mapping, with AV3D navigation technology, even in mapping stage, I've had no problems with the vacuum running into anything. The TruePath system is also good if there are thresholds in your home, and once your mapping is complete, you can even divide up your rooms and customize your space if you want to put no entry zones or mark spots where you have furniture. The mapping customization does allow you to do that. Now, in terms of new features, we've got quite a few this year. So what you're looking at is the focus jet stain pre-dissolving technology. These two front nozzles here spray into stains before vacuuming and mopping begins in order to dissolve them. This is pretty good for older, dried stains. And when the mopping actually starts, we've got this roller style of mop. This is the Osmo Roller 3.0. This is my favorite type of mopping method because it literally rolls the dirt in. Instead of scrubbing and spreading dirty water around, the roller continuously picks up grime and helps keep the contact surface fresher as it moves. It's better on sticky messes because it tends to handle things like dried sauce, coffee splashes more effectively because it's doing a constant wipe and lift motion rather than just polishing. And this way you typically get fewer streaks, especially on tile and sealed hardwood, since the roller is continuously refreshed during the pass. Also, the roller style of mopping has better edge awareness as well. This is called True Edge 3.0 technology on the X12 OmniCyclone, and the mop actually extends deeper with the X12, and it now comes with that padding on the side, and it now comes closer to the edges because of that. And another cool thing about the Osmo Roller 3.0 is that this year it actually comes with a cover, so when you're vacuuming and going over your carpet, the roller cover automatically covers the roller so that the mop pad does not touch your carpet. It's a nice touch. And on the floor, the X12 pairs that mopping system with some serious vacuuming power. So this is the Blast technology. It can hit up to 22,000 PA of suction power and 22 liters a second airflow thanks to the EV grade battery, brushless motor, and the new aerodynamic upgrades. The Zero Tangle 4.0 is also here. This is the main vacuuming brush. It uses airflow to guide hair and dust or dirt into the brush, and that prevents wraps before they even start to happen. So you don't have to worry about untangling this brush. Now, once the mopping and vacuuming is done, the robot will go back to the OmniCyclone station. And this is where the X12 really becomes a hands-free cleaning setup. The OmniCyclone station will auto-empty your vacuum, and during this process it keeps the suction consistent. And this way everything is picked up from the inside of your vacuum. It comes with a 1.6 liter bagless dustbin, and it is rated for up to 48 days of hands-off use, and then you would have to just empty it. For mopping maintenance, the station's fresh flow power washing sprays the clean heated water directly into the Osmo roller, and it does this under high pressure to loosen grime. And then the dual high-speed squeegees scrape away dirty water so the roller stays clean. There's also dirty water box auto cleaning, where an internal propeller spins up to 5,000 RPM to really drain the dirty water from the roller. And in terms of battery efficiency, this vacuum is really made to not have you think about battery. With power boost, the vacuum will recharge during mop washing intervals. Within a few minutes of wash, you will boost about 13% in power. My space is quite large, and I've had no issues cleaning a 1200 square feet space with about 100 plus minutes of runtime when doing a detailed cleaning. And speaking of detailed cleaning, you can really customize how you want to clean your space within the Ecovacs app. From choosing water flow rate to different cleaning modes like mop and vacuum combined, or do them in 2 different sessions, you can choose how you want to clean. Using the X12 OmniCyclone for the past few weeks, really happy with the product. As a person who used the X11 OmniCyclone for a long time, I do have a habit to use robot vacuums around my space. And this way you don't have to do super deep cleaning sessions that often. If you want to check out the X12 OmniCyclone for yourself, do check out the link in the description. And who knows, maybe Ecovacs will have something special for you. Thank you so much for watching this episode. As always, it has been a pleasure, and I'll see you in the next one.